Hello students, now this is the lecture number 3 for the chapter linear programming problem. Now in this lecture we are going to consider a problem of a statement type, and whenever it is a statement type of problem, first we have to read the problem very carefully, and then we have to select the two variables x and y for which we have to find the maximum or minimum value. And after reading the all problem, first we have to write down the optimum equation, that means for which we have to find maximum or we have to find the minimum, and then write down the information in the tabular form. For any problem of a statement type, generally there are 4 columns: second column x, third column y, last column condition, and first column different for different example. In this example it is the elements. Now we will read the problem carefully. A chemical company produces a chemical containing 3 basic elements A, B and C, so that it has at least 16 liters of A, 24 liters of B and 18 liters of C. This chemical is made by mixing 2 compounds 1 and 2. Each unit of the compound 1 has 4 liters of A, 12 liters of B and 2 liters of C. Each unit of compound 2 has 2 liters of A, 2 liters of B and 6 liters of C. The cost per unit of compound 1 is rupees 800, and that for compound 2 is rupees 640. Formulate the problem as a LPP and solve it for the minimum cost. And whenever the question is for minimum, that means the inequality sign will be greater than or equal to. Now 2 compounds we have to find, therefore at x units of compound 1 and y units of compound 2. Cost will be 800x plus 640y. 800x plus 640y, because 800 for 1 unit of compound 1 and 640 for 1 unit of compound 2. Therefore 800x for x compounds plus 640y for y compounds. That is the total cost, and this we have to find minimum. This is the objective function which is to be minimized, and tabular form of data as follows. Now in this example, elements A, B, C, first column, compound, first compound x units, second compound y number of units, and minimum requirement is given. Now this 16, 24, 18, these are the numbers given initially in the problem, that is at least 16 liters of A, 24 liters of B and 18 liters of C, that is 16, 24, 18. Then compound 1 has 4 liters of A, 12 liters of B and 2 liters of C, therefore it is a 4, 12 and 2. And compound 2 has 2 liters of A, 2 liters of B and 6 liters of C, therefore it is a 2, 2, 6. Is it understood how to enter in the tabular form? And up to this step, 1 mark for the problem. 1 mark for the problem. If the table is right, then next problem will be very easy. Then there will be 3 inequations: 4x plus 2y greater than or equal to 16, 12x plus 2y greater than or equal to 24, and 2x plus 6y greater than or is equal to 18. And why greater than? Because minimum, and whenever there is a word minimum, always it should be that much and more and more. Simple example I will tell you. If the x marks in maths 1 and my y marks in maths 2, and passing condition is minimum, you should get 35. That means x plus y should be greater than or equal to 35. That is the idea behind the greater than or equal to symbol. Then we are writing the inequations, 3 inequations, and compound 1 and 2 cannot be negative, therefore x and y greater than or equal to 0. And almost all statement type of examples, when they are considered about the compounds, contents, articles, atoms, then always negative things are not possible, therefore it is the first quadrant graph, x and y greater than or equal to 0. Now from inequations we will make the table: inequations, corresponding equation, point on x-axis, point on y-axis and region. away from origin because greater than or equal to 0. And coordinates, I told you how to find. Put y is equal to 0, point on x axis. Put x is equal to 0, point on y axis. Therefore it is a 4, 0, 0, 8, 2, 0, 0, 12, 9, 0, 0, 3. Then we have to plot the graph. Now graph, you see that the region is away from the origin. And first we have to plot A point and B point. Join that line. Then plot the point C and D. Join that line. And then plot the point E and F. Join that line. Always remember, first 2 points of first line, complete that line. Then next 2 points of second line, complete that line. The next 2 points of third line, complete that line. Okay. Then there are coordinates of vertices of the feasible region E, P, Q and D. Out of that, E and D directly you will get it, and for P and Q we have to solve the simultaneous equations, and that simultaneous solving is not shown. You have to solve yourself, and then gives you the value for P coordinate 3, 2, for P coordinate 3, 2, and for Q coordinate 1, 6. Here calculation is not shown, but you have to write down in classwork notebook. Then get the answers for Z. For E point 9 and 0, substituting in 800x plus 640y, 7200. For P point 3, 2, substituting you will get 3680. For Q point 1, 6, 4640. And for D point 0, 12, 7680. And the 3680 is the minimum. Therefore minimum cost is rupees 3680 at the point P, that means the compound 1 3 units and compound 2 2 units. Write down again in the classwork notebook. Thank you.